welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a 3 looks using the Tati Beauty palette. I am super excited and let's jump right into it. First, I'm going to be doing a more matte look with the Tati Beauty palette. So I wanted to start off talking about this thing. And I got this off of Amazon. I think it was like $8 to $10, something like that. And I have the hardest time keeping up with lashes until I got this. And you open it up and it's all your lashes. Isn't that so neat? Isn't that so cool? And it's got this protector clear thing that goes with it so that they don't get dirty or glitter on them or whatever, but they're all in one place and I love this. I got it I think a week ago and I've just now gotten all my lashes in there because I haven't had any time. But so I wanted to talk about this and tell you about it, and isn't it cool? So let's jump into the first look for the Tati Beauty. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes with some concealer, and this is just the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and you can get this for $5 at Ulta. So I am going to speed this process up. Okay, so now that my eyes have a base on them, a primer on them, let's jump right into it. The first shade I'm going to be using, this is the palette by the way, and forgive me, mine is really dirty. I use it a lot. The first shade I'm going to jump into is Matte Soothe, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade for my shadow. Next, I'm going to be taking Matte Ritual and putting it on as the outer V of my eye and in my crease. And I'm using an e.l.f. blending eye brush for this, and it's just a little fluffy brush. So let's get into that. Okay, and then the last shade I'm going to mess with is Matte Aura, and that's just a light pink shade, almost a white, and I'm going to be taking it with just a flat brush, very flat, and just patting it on the lid space. I'm gonna take my brush that I went in with Ritual and blend out this just a little bit with what's left on my brush. Now I'm just gonna do my face makeup and put on some lashes and do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. This is the first look for the Tati Beauty palette, and I am going to just do a few things to this look to change it into a nighttime look. This is honestly one of my favorite daytime looks that I wear regularly. If you can see, I have no highlight, there is no lipstick, and I have no eyeliner on. Just very natural, and just by adding eyeliner, highlighter, and a little bit of glitter, because we all love glitter, it can turn it into a great great nighttime look. So the first thing I'm gonna do is add my glitter. And I'm going to be matching the glitter to the lid shade in Aura and just packing it on my lid. And the best way to do this with the Tati palette is just to use your finger. So I'm going to dip and swirl around and do that and just add it to my lid. The next thing I'm going to do is add my eyeliner to my upper lash line, and let's go do that. The next thing I'm going to do is add highlighter, and while I was doing my liner I actually decided to do lipstick as well to bring this look together for a nighttime look. So let's jump into those. Look, I'm going to be using the shade Sarcophagus. So I'm going to be doing a red lip with a nude center. So let's jump into that. Now that the outer of my lips is done, then I'm going to take the nude and just set it down in the middle and blot it. And that is it for the second look of the Tati Beauty palette. So for the last look with the Tati Beauty palette, I'm going to be doing a pink high glam look with glitter and all the stops. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is dipping into Matte Soothe just to lay down a transition shade between my Poet matte and metallics and glitters. So I'm going to be taking my fluffy brush and just dipping into that. Let's move to where you can see me. And I apologize, I do live in a neighborhood and I'm not going to ask my neighbors to stop mowing their yard, although it is very loud. I'm now going to be taking Matte Poet and putting it on my outer V and crease. We're going to pack it in there. After that, I'm going to be taking the metallic Aura and placing it on my lid. But first, I'm going to spray my brush. So that it catches the shade on there a little bit better. Now I'm going to take the glitter Aura and put it anywhere I put the metallic, so just right on top of it. What the metallic did was give it a nice shiny base, and now we're going to match the color with the glitter. Next we're going to do liner. With the liner done, I am going to jump off camera and fix up my foundation, my blush, my bronzer, and put some lipstick on. And there you have it. This is the final look for the Tati Beauty palette. Again, this is what the palette looks like. And I love it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and when you subscribe, please ring the bell and it will send you notifications whenever I upload my future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.